And may I add to those three that you highlighted? Kasi kanina, paulit-ulit nating mini-mention ang flexibility, no? Is I believe number 4 is the diversification. Kasi ang portfolio ng client or ng account, pwedeng mixed portfolio siya eh. Pwedeng may halong aggressive funds, moderate funds, targeted year na funds, or conservative funds, di ba? So diversification is also important. Maybe you can kind of expound on that a bit more.
So yeah, diversification. So let's say you decided that you wanted to invest in the stock market for the retirement of your employees. So when you invest in the stock market, a good practice is to diversify your holdings. Ibig sabihin, mag-invest ka sa ganitong industry. Let's say mag-invest ka sa telco industry, mag-invest ka sa consumer companies, mag-invest ka sa conglomerates, mag-invest ka sa banks. So that's called diversification. If you're going to do it by yourself, dun sa company ninyo, of course, it takes a lot of knowledge and hard work din, no, to purchase all of those. But if you invest into a mutual fund, kasi ang mutual fund, it's a basket already of investments. For example, you have what we call the index fund. So the index fund invests in the top 30 companies here in the Philippines. So automatically, ang binibili mo lang yung index fund, but you have exposure to the top 30 here in the Philippines. Na medyo mahirap siyang gawin kung if you're going to do it by yourself. 30 companies ang iba-buy and sell mo. So that's where, again, diversification and your professional management comes into place.